Oh, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners coming back at you. So I just wanted to show you this right here. Okay, I got all these items from the Restore in Orlando. Actually, this one is like in ocoee, right? I think they got 2 Restores in Orlando. So when you go there, look at the price of these, y'all. Look at the price. Of course, you know I stacked up, right? Because these right here, let me show you with these, right? This is what I do with these right here. So these right here helps with the white flies, the little white flies and aphids that get on guavas and different type of fruit trees, right? And they're safe. So what I do is I take one of these and this, right? They already have a hole in it at the top, if you can see that, but I have a hole puncher, if you can see that. And let me show you what I do. I come out here, right, to the trees that seems to always get attacked by aphids and whatnot. And I just twist it and I just place it on there. Now look, can you see how it gets all of them? It don't get all of them, but I'm saying it does a good job. So for this one, because this was a big one, I just took this side off, and when I get full, I'll go ahead and take that side off right there. But yeah, basically, that's what I do, and that helps, you know, with the aphids and white flies and whatever have you. Let me go to this other tree right here. And sometimes I get a lot on the guava trees for some reason, and the loquat trees. So, yeah, you know, I don't have enough ladybugs to attack the aphids. So, you see I have them right there. And you put them like in the problem areas. So, I'm going to put a couple more on this tree, and they come in strips or bigger sizes. And it works. I mean, they get on there, and I had a lot of these. Like, I'm going to, this right here. You see those? So this one right here, oh, I forgot to take this off, right? I guess if you want it to work, this one right here is going to attract those. And that's going to help because, unfortunately, sometimes we don't have enough ladybugs to do what they need to do, right? I just put these up here, so let me go ahead and take that off of here. Yeah. So, yeah. So, you know, go to some of the Restore, and you get these at a very great price. Because if you try to go, I'm not sure if Amazon or anybody else have them, but I'm quite sure they won't be as cheap as they are there. They give you a very good discount on a lot of items. They have a lot of garden items, okay? And since it is springtime, those items are not going to sit there forever, you know. People are going to come, they're going to see them, and they're going to start buying them. So they have a lot right now. And they usually have change during the summer. They, you know, they keep adding items and everything. So, I mean, this is where you can go and, you know, help with your fruit trees and help the ladybugs until the trees can help themselves, okay? So that's what I'm just bringing to you, something real quick. I'm going to go ahead and finish putting that on a couple of more of my guava trees and my, what's the other ones? Loquat, yeah, loquat trees, yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do that. So, hoping you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.